Hello and welcome to Commoner Garden. Today in the garden, both inside and outside, I'm going to be dealing with some sun-based issues. Also, I'm going to be thinning out some turnips that have come up from seed and they're all too close together. That means that the turnips won't grow to be nice and big, so I'll be thinning those out in today's show. Just after midday I came out and I saw that this Mizuna had started to wilt in the sun. Now I didn't want to water it while it was sunny because that could lead to it actually sort of boiling and scorching the leaves with the water on it and the sun coming down. So what I did, I just moved it into the shade and I thought I'll wait till later in the day to water it. This really is a very simple fix. I just need to water it and ensure I don't treat it badly like that again. I'll put it back in its house now. So I'm going to thin out these turnip seedlings here. I'm going to use scissors to do that, and I've washed them to ensure that they're nice and clean when I make the cut. So with thinning seedlings, you want to choose the strongest seedling and leave it. So I would say any that are starting to form true leaves would be stronger. If they're all very similar, you're just going to have to be brutal and choose between them. I'm using scissors because if I were to pull out the seedling, I could potentially damage the roots of the one that I was trying to save. I've committed a bit of a crime with this calathea. I've left it right next to the window, which means that the leaves have all become scorched. So I'm really going to have to move it. It can be in quite a shady place really, that's why it's perfect for being indoors. I should never have left it by the window, especially here it gets a bright morning sun, and with the curtains closed it can get to 27, 28, 29, 30 degrees, and that's exactly what it doesn't want. It's used to living on the forest floor, it's used to being humid, and I've given it just the wrong conditions. Also today, I'm going to pot it up into a bigger pot as it's in the growing season and its leaves are getting bigger. So I'm going to move it on. So I have the calathea potted on now. I don't have another decorative pot that would fit this inside of it, so I took the black plant pot and I spray painted it grey before I started. I'm going to find a nice shady spot for it inside, ensure the compost is kept moist, and I'm going to mist it like once a week. Thank you for watching Commoner Garden. I'll be back with another video and hopefully some tasty vegetables soon.